From the moment you lay eyes on it, the new Ferrari Amalfi doesn't just attract attention, it demands it. Every line, every vent, every surface serves both purpose and beauty. Designed as a modern grand tourer, the Amalfi reflects Ferrari's commitment to evolving with technology while remaining true to its passionate roots. But what truly sets this machine apart is not just its silhouette. It's the abundance of features inside and out that redefine what a Ferrari can be in 2025. Starting with the exterior, the Amalfi introduces a refined aerodynamic package. At the front, ultra-slim matrix LED headlights flank a wider, more sculpted grille that aids in improved airflow. Active aero flaps beneath the front bumper adjust automatically at speed to reduce lift and improve stability. Moving along the body, you'll notice subtle channels sculpted into the side panels, each one working to manage turbulence. And at the rear, an active rear spoiler adjusts in 3 positions based on driving mode and speed. Low drag for cruising, balance for daily use, and high downforce for dynamic performance. The wheels are forged lightweight alloys, available in 20 or 21 inches, with a diamond-cut finish and optional carbon fiber center caps. A hidden detail: Ferrari has integrated flush door handles that deploy only when touched, reducing aerodynamic drag and giving the side profile a seamless look. Underneath, this car is powered by a 3.85-liter twin-turbocharged V8, producing a stunning 640 horsepower and 760 newton-meters of torque. This engine isn't just about brute strength. It's been optimized for responsiveness and linear delivery. That translates into 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.3 seconds, all channeled through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that shifts with precision whether you're in comfort mode or pushing limits on a winding mountain pass. But Ferrari didn't stop at speed. They crafted a ride system to match. The adaptive magnetorheological suspension constantly adjusts damping to road conditions and driver input. There's also 4-wheel steering, allowing the rear wheels to turn opposite or in concert with the front for better agility in tight turns and greater stability at speed. Inside, Ferrari's latest digital cockpit sets a new benchmark for tech luxury integration. A 16-inch curved digital instrument cluster offers configurable views, from classic dials to race telemetry, while a 10.5-inch floating infotainment screen sits flush in the center. The interface supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates via Ferrari's cloud-connected system. The cabin layout has been reimagined with a dual cockpit design, meaning both the driver and passenger have their own touchscreens. Even the passenger has access to drive stats, media controls, and climate settings. All climate vents are touch-sensitive, with a slide-to-open feature and ambient lighting that changes based on mode. Warm amber in comfort, icy blue in sport, and aggressive red in race. Seats are finished in premium hand-stitched leather and Alcantara, with built-in ventilation, heating, and lumbar memory. Buyers can opt for Daytona-style inserts, custom colors, and even embroidered crests. And for the first time in Ferrari Coupe, the Amalfi includes massaging seats, perfect for long GT-style road trips. Sound is handled by a specially tuned Burmester 3D surround audio system with 16 speakers, including a subwoofer embedded into the rear bulkhead. The result: pure concert-level sound, whether you're blasting opera or listening to the roar of the V8. Though honestly, most drivers might prefer to simply drop the windows and let the engine soundtrack take over. In terms of driver assistance, Ferrari has integrated a more subtle, non-intrusive suite that includes adaptive cruise control with lane centering, blind spot monitoring, autonomous emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, parking assist with 360-degree cameras. These features don't override your experience. They quietly enhance it. The system alerts but doesn't intrude, and everything can be customized to the drive mode selector. Speaking of which, the Manettino switch on the steering wheel now includes 5 driving modes: Wet Comfort, Sport, Race, and ESC off. Each alters the behavior of suspension, gearbox, steering, throttle, and stability control. In race mode, the Amalfi feels alert, quick-witted, and thrilling. Steering input becomes sharper, the gearbox holds revs longer, and the V8 barks with urgency. In comfort, everything softens, the suspension glides, shift becomes buttery smooth, and the cabin quiets down with additional noise cancellation. Ferrari has also introduced a new augmented reality heads-up display. When navigation is active, the windshield displays arrows overlaid on the road. The system can even warn of hazards by highlighting vehicles or pedestrians in your periphery. One standout innovation is Ferrari's new performance assistant AI. Based on your driving habits, it adjusts settings proactively, suggesting an upshift before a red line, offering optimal braking zones in track mode, and even coaching you gently if it detects aggressive steering inputs. It learns as you drive and evolves over time, like a co-pilot that knows your preferences. Storage, often an afterthought in a Ferrari, gets a rethink. The Amalfi offers 320 liters of rear trunk space, enough for weekend bags or a set of golf clubs. The rear seats fold flat, expanding cargo capacity, though they're best suited for occasional use or young passengers. Additional cubbies and wireless charging pads up front ensure everyday usability is covered. As for personalization, Ferrari lets buyers go deep. Custom paints, including 14 new metallic finishes, can be combined with contrasting brake calipers, carbon fiber exterior kits, and bespoke interior treatments. There's even a tailor-made program where clients can work directly with Ferrari designers to create a one-of-one specification. But at the heart of it all, the Amalfi isn't just a spec sheet. It's an experience, a culmination of performance, luxury, intelligence, and artistry. Whether you're carving through hairpins in the Dolomites or gliding along the Riviera, it rewards you with every movement, every growl, every breath of throttle. For enthusiasts, this is Ferrari's way of saying, the combustion engine is still alive, still glorious, and still capable of thrilling us in new ways. And while electrification may be coming, the Amalfi is a masterclass in how Ferrari blends passion with precision today. If you're showcasing this for your audience, this story isn't just about speed. It's about sophistication. A car designed to connect, to delight, and to inspire. The Ferrari Amalfi, beautiful, brutal, and brilliantly built for the roads ahead.